Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I talk about tools and tech that make content creation easier. Have you ever wanted to make professional looking videos without standing in front of a camera, hiring a team, or spending hours editing? What if I told you there's a tool that lets you create stunning, talking head style videos using just text, and it's all powered by AI? Yep, it exists. It's called Pipio AI. And in today's video, we're diving deep into how it works, what it's great at, and where it still needs a little work. An AI video generator that uses avatars and text-to-speech to bring your scripts to life. So whether you're a marketer, educator, entrepreneur, or just curious, this tool might be a game changer for you. Let's start with the basics. Pipio AI is a web-based platform that lets you create videos with virtual human avatars. You type in a script, pick a realistic-looking AI character, choose a voice, and boom, you've got a talking head style video. No filming, no microphones, no green screens, just your ideas turned into polished video content. What makes Pipio unique is how lifelike the avatars look and sound. These aren't just cartoons or robotic voices. The characters blink, move, and sync their lips to your script in a surprisingly realistic way. Think of it like Synthesia or HeyGen, but with some unique twists. Pipio lets you generate them in minutes in 40+ languages without hiring actors or renting equipment. It's used for YouTube videos, ads, e-learning, and even corporate training. Pipio enables everyone to create professional videos without mics, cameras, actors, or studios. Filmmakers, marketers, entrepreneurs, creatives of all levels are using Pipio to produce their videos. One of the standout features is the avatar library. Pipio offers over 100 avatars with different ethnicities, ages, and styles. Whether you want a young, energetic presenter or a more mature, professional tone, there's something for everyone. The voice selection is also pretty impressive. You can choose from various accents: American, British, Indian, Spanish, and more. The text-to-speech is quite advanced, with natural pauses and emotion. It's not perfect, but it's miles ahead of older robotic voices you might have heard before. Here's where Pipio really shines. Lip syncing. When the avatar speaks, their mouth actually moves in sync with the words. It's not just a puppet mouth flapping randomly, it follows the rhythm and shape of real speech. This makes your videos feel more human and believable, which is great if you're trying to build trust with your audience. If you're camera shy or just want to scale your content faster, Pipio is a solid option. Simply get started with one of their avatars that represent a diverse range of ethnicities, ages, and styles, or create your own with Express or Studio options. It's literally a drag and drop experience. Even if you've never edited a video in your life, you'll be able to use Pipio. Now let's talk about the user experience. The interface is super simple. When you log in, you'll see a dashboard where you can start a new project. Free plan gives 3 video credits, watermarked. The Pipio dashboard is designed for simplicity and ease of use. On the left side, there's a main navigation menu where you can access your projects, explore avatars, and select voices. The center of the screen features a bright welcome panel that guides new users through the basic steps: creating a video, dubbing, making an Express avatar, and claiming a reward. Below that, there's a project section showing all your current video drafts, including key details like the project name, aspect ratio, e.g. vertical 9:16. On the top right, you'll see your credit balance, any available avatars, and user settings. The layout is clean, beginner-friendly, and built to help you get started with AI video creation quickly. The Create a Video section in Pipio is where your content creation journey begins. As shown in your screenshot, it's highlighted clearly on the left-hand side of the interface and also in the central panel. This section is designed to walk you through making your first video using AI avatars. When you click Create a Video, Pipio takes you into an editor where you can choose an avatar, input your script, and customize your video. The interface is very beginner-friendly. You're given the option to use stock avatars, pre-made professional presenters, or custom avatars if you've uploaded your own. You can also pick a voice to match the avatar or upload your own voice. The editor lets you write a script in the text script box, which the avatar will read out using text-to-speech technology. You can preview the video, add pauses, change alignment, and even edit multiple scenes in the timeline at the bottom. This tool is especially helpful for content creators, marketers, educators, or anyone who wants to make professional-looking videos without appearing on camera or hiring talent. Once you're happy with the setup, you can generate a preview and eventually export the final video. Overall, it simplifies high-quality video production into just a few steps. On the left sidebar, there are several tools such as avatars, voices, text, elements, variables, and uploads that allow the user to customize different parts of the video. In the Avatars tab, different AI presenters like Anya and Linda are available to choose from, and a checkbox indicates that the default voice will be used with the selected actor. At the center of the screen, there is a video preview area where a selected AI avatar is displayed against a pink background. This area shows how the avatar will appear in the final video. Beneath it, a timeline strip displays the current scene, which includes a script section that reads, "Here are the top 3 AI coding tools in 2025, voiced by Nicole L." The user can play the script, add pauses, and switch between text and audio script formats. At the top, options like upgrade, credits balance, generate preview, export are accessible. My verdict: if you need quick professional videos without the hassle, yes, 100%. It's not perfect, but it's one of the best AI video tools I've tested. Pipio has different pricing tiers based on how many minutes of video you want to generate per month. They usually offer a free trial or demo so you can test it before you commit. For professionals and businesses, the cost is reasonable, especially considering how much time it saves. If you're looking to produce high-quality videos without a camera, Pipio is one of the best AI tools out there right now. It's beginner-friendly, time-saving, and pretty fun to use. Is it perfect? Not yet. But for most content creators, marketers, or educators, it can be a powerful tool in your kit. Try Pipio yourself. Link in the description. Let me know in the comments, would you use AI avatars for your videos? And smash that like button if this review helped. If you've tried Pipio or if you have questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more reviews on cool tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.